हरि ओम तत्सत श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां व्यासशङ्करमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. Shri Gurubhyo Namah. I welcome you all to the introductory lectures of Advait Vedanta. This is the first session of the series of the lectures. In this video, we will have a look at the Purushartha. Let us begin the class. Let us first understand the difference between humans and animals. Before we understand the difference between humans and animals, let us first understand the similarities in both of them. The similarities in humans and animals are as follows. First is aharam, that is food. Humans and animals both seek food for their survival. The second similarity is nidra, which is sleep. Humans and animals both seek sleep. Third is bhayam or fear. Both humans and animals are afraid of certain things which may or may not be different. And the last is maithunam, which is reproduction. Humans and animals both reproduce. These are the common features, but humans are endowed with certain special features. And the first special feature is buddhi, which is also called as discriminative knowledge. Humans know I am and this is, but an animal does not know that. A dog does not know that he is a dog. A cat does not know that she is a cat, but humans know that I am a human. But we have partial knowledge of I am. We can convert it into complete knowledge through the study of Vedanta. We know what is right and wrong, which is also called as discriminative knowledge. Secondly, now we are specifically discussing about humans. We have expectations from others in terms of behavior. We expect others to behave good with us. We expect people to talk or always say the truth to us. We expect people to not to harm us, both verbally and physically. We expect people to be good to us. Next is we have willpower. We have the capacity to do something or to not to do it, or to do something differently. Next is the faculty of choice, which is called as free will. Now this free will and willpower we will look at in detail in the further lectures of Vedanta. So humans are endowed with buddhi. Because of buddhi, we plan out our work and we work out our plan. Now let us have a look at the Purushartha, or the 4 human pursuits. The first human pursuit is the pursuit of Artha, or security. The pursuit of Artha, or the pursuit of security, is by different means. We pursue money, we pursue assets, possessions, people, friends. We also pursue mobile and immobile properties. Even manpower is included in Artha. People of influence, or you yourself being an influential person. And we acquire all this for our own security. That is the first Purushartha. The second Purushartha is Kamaha, which can be translated as pleasures or desires. It is natural for humans to have desires. It is natural for humans to pursue pleasures, and we all pursue pleasures in different ways. We pursue sensory pleasures, for example, eating, watching a movie. We pursue intellectual pleasures like reading, studying, or painting. For that matter, change is also a pleasure. Aesthetic pleasure is the third pleasure. Going for vacation, appreciating natural beauty, or even going to a hill station for vacation, going for picnics. This is what is included in Kamaha. We will understand the meaning of desires as we progress in the study of Vedanta. The next Purushartha is Dharma. Unfortunately, there is no direct English word to denote Dharma, but we often use the word righteousness, correctness in behavior, ethics in Dharma. Doing what is right is Dharma, and we will understand Dharma as we start studying scriptures, as we start studying Shastram. Knowing one's duties and performing them with correctness in attitude. Our duties differ with our roles, and each role must be performed with correctness in attitude and correctness in behavior without disturbing the social order. Our duties must conform with our values, the value of understanding what is right and what is wrong, not emotionally, but not subjectively, but understanding what is right and wrong is what we will learn with the study of Shastra. Bhagavad Gita is one of the most important scriptures that we will study to understand Dharma. The fourth Purushartha is Moksha. Moksha is also called as freedom. Freedom from what? Freedom from the unwanted. Freedom from sorrow. Freedom from unhappiness. Sorrow is undesirable, and we call sorrow in Vedanta as Manasa Tapaha. To understand unhappiness, unhappiness is also called as mental discomfort, mental agony. Humans want happiness. We are seeking happiness. We seek happiness through Artha, through Kama. I earn money to be happy. I go to vacations to be happy. I go and meet my friends to be happy. I follow a life of ethics, which in turn makes my life problem free. So, why do we pursue Artha, Kama and Dharma is ultimately to achieve freedom or to achieve moksha. Artha and Kama give us relative happiness or relative security, not absolute security. And moksha is the absolute end, the end of all the pursuits. The moksha is the universal choiceless end. We live our life to pursue Artha and Kama in compliance with Dharma or in conformity to Dharma, ultimately to achieve moksha. Artha, Kama and Dharma are relative ends which must be pursued to achieve moksha, which is the ultimate end. We come to a term called as Purushartha Nishchaya, which means being clear about the four pursuits, being clear about the limitations and the limitlessness of all the four Purusharthas. Ultimately, the answer to the question, what is happiness, is what Vedanta comes to the rescue. Happiness is already there, but it is covered by ignorance. Hence, moksha becomes the common, human, universal, choiceless, absolute, and ultimate goal. That's all in this video. In the next video, we will deep dive more into the Purushartha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.